What do you mean agency fuck all? Hold on. Corporate is like dead ass boring. Unless you're Hulk, you
Excuse
like
me.
talking to old people. Honestly, I got chills after watching this. 3 second
Teach
cut.
me, I tried so hard to not start the waterworks.
Felt like they only shared an emotion but forgot the product in somewhere.
Product बहुत ज़्यादा weak.
If you're going in a group, we'll decide कि we'll meet here. No matter even if we get lost.
But
That's
we have
cool.
Raisha here. She
Hi,
is
Raj.
my near dear, closest, bestest friend. I know her since my RBMM days.
So why were you
So in
telling
short,
us?
I stalk Vedanti a lot. I stalk Vedanti a lot.
And you still don't know this. Your stalking skills are
still-
terrible.
Yeah.
But Rasha, do you work in
Not-
advertising?
I do, yes. I
Oh,
work
shit.
at a company called HGS Interactive.
Interactive Avenues.
No. HGS Interactive. Hinduja Global Solutions.
Oh my God, कितने बार इंटरव्यू दिया रहेगा मैंने?
Oh.
हाँ क्या?
So before this, this is
That was
from
good.
the
That was good.
consultation.
What do you mean agency fuck all? Hold on. Corporate is like dead ass boring. Unless you're Hulk, you
Excuse
like
me.
talking to old people. Yeah.
No, it's a little more structured and safe. Agency
agree.
is like walking into a fire pit. This is like controlled campfire.
When do you truly log out after work? Once you've logged out.
Okay. I have a very, very easy answer for this.
Yes.
Very,
yes,
very
yes.
easy answer for this.
And be honest, okay? Don't give me
I'm being
a
very, very honest. Very,
don't
very
give me a
honest.
client servicing answer.
I want to know when you say log out, what do you mean by log out? Because
Log
it
out
makes
as
a lot of sense.
in mentally. Like you know, I step out of
Never.
work and I'm
Never.
walking,
Clearly Vedanti.
and then
does it.
20
Never.
minutes later I see a message on my phone. I'm like, oh हाँ यार ये तो मैं भूल ही गया. And then 2 hours later I'm scrolling on Instagram and I see another ad and I'm like, oh I can send this to that guy who sent me. So that's what I'm
Never.
saying.
365 days, 24/7.
What about you?
I
When do
think
you log out?
it's two things for me. So I start my day with like a list of 6 things I need to do. If I'm done with the 6 things at 3 p.m., I'm logged out. हो गया काम हो गया घर जाओ. So
What ab-
the 3
And
days that I
mentally?
get to work from home, I'm mentally checked out at 3. My tasks are done. It's 3. I don't care what comes now. Everything is pushed to tomorrow. हो गया. Or if I have a lot of work that day and it's 6 p.m., then I mentally log out. Because after 6 p.m., Lord knows I'm not going to work.
But are you still thinking about all of it
Nope.
after you log out?
Nope.
सीखो कुछ वेदांती सीखो.
Yeah, I should honestly, yes.
I sound like a
Dude,
South Delhi
like
auntie.
after 6 years of doing all of this, I've realized if I do not check myself out mentally, then I'm going to check myself out of life permanently. So no thanks.
My question is, how do you do that? How? How
It's
does
like-
one do that?
You know, like that ADHD brain where you have like multiple tabs open, just window बंद कर दो.
क्या बयान दिया है आपने भाई वाह वाह वाह
I am
Is a
still-
tab open on the side?
Yes,
Be
my
honest.
friend.
Are you cheating
My
on me?
left. Yes, I am cheating on you, my friend.
Yes.
चीटिंग करता है तू
And another question
I
is,
didn't understand.
परीक्षित का बोझ कितने साल पे अपने shoulders पे
Hey, come on, yeah. What do you mean बोझ?
परीक्षित का बोझ कितने साल अपने
What
shoulders
बोझ?
पे लेके आए
वो collaboration बोलते हैं.
अमीरों की स्कीम मेरे हाथ लगी
So I found this really interesting ad that is related to Kumbh. So I want to start with that. Okay, let's go.
हर हर गंगे मुन्ना हाँ क्या तू ठीक है ना
जी सब ठीक इस तरफ
उस तरफ वहाँ तो बहुत भीड़ है
बाबूजी कुंभ है भीड़ तो होगी ना चलिए
क्या
चलिए चलिए
अच्छा अच्छा अरे अरे मुन्ना मुन्ना
कंट्री में उसे भोले भटके शोर में या बात को किसी उठाने में पहुंचाने का मकसद
अरे मुन्ना, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? अच्छा अपना हाथ दे अपना। हाँ देख मुन्ना, भीड़ बहुत है, तू खो जाएगा, तो इसे हम बांध लेते हैं। चल। अच्छा सुन, आइसक्रीम खाएगा? अम्मा को मत बताना। आइसक्रीम के नाम से देखो कितना पैसा है।
साए में जिसके तू बड़ा हुआ, उस साए को तू अब छोड़ना कभी ना छोड़ना।
भाऊजी,
अरे तू कहाँ चला गया था?
खो गया था।
अरे ऐसे अकेले थोड़ी जाता है। हाँ बेटा, 2 कप बोली थी, मुझे पता था तू आ ही जाएगा। पी पी ना, अच्छी है।
भाऊजी हाथ बांध ले, भीड़ बहुत है।
अरे तू भी बच्चों वाली बात
अरे
करता
आपका
है।
बच्चा हूँ तो बच्चों जैसी बात करूंगा ना।
Honestly, I got chills after watching this. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. Intense है थोड़ा, but long part, 30 second
Beach में I tried so hard to not start the waterworks. I was like, no, you can't cry here. Yeah,
Hard
intense. Wow. Wow.
You guys like all these emotional ads.
You guys.
Good
what
Oh,
question.
you and Parikshit had your faces like. So I'm just, I'm wondering. I know Red Label ads have always followed like some sort of storyline where it's some relationship between some family member that they pick up on, whether it's husband, wife, or kids and father, mother, whatever. But when brands start getting a little too emotional, like this was a PSA, so I get it, makes sense. But when it gets a little too emotional, isn't it like, like really? जब मिनी फिल्म बना रहे थे हम यहाँ पे एड बन गया गलती से टाइप्स.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर, एकदम ब्लंडर हो गया.
2012.
Also, to what Raisha, meanwhile, what Raisha was also trying to say, towards the end when all of my emotions were wearing off and I was coming to terms with, okay, here's the climax, everything's good. That's when I questioned myself, पर ये brand कौन सा है? ये क्यों हो रहा है?
अरे, but
Red
the
Label,
intention
okay.
was never to push the brand.
I know.
It
Fair
was
enough.
always the PSA.
No, but then at the end, when the tagline came in about something togetherness, that is when
Apno
it
ko
was tied
apnao.
together. Apno ko apnao was the campaign, but also the tagline was togetherness something. Is when, yeah.
दिख रहे ऐसे ads हम लोग जब भी research भी कर रहे हैं तो. Look at the tonality shift in the past 6-7 years.
So are you saying now we are not trying to create ads that even try to invoke an emotion?
Correct. One is that coming back to Raisha's earlier point, इतना लंबा ad आज मेरा generation फिर भी देख लेगा बैठ के. मेरे बाद वाला generation नहीं देखेगा इतना.
I was actually doing my research and check this out. When this ad came out, people were actually against the entire ad. The entire Twitter started a trend which said boycott Hindustan Unilever because they said that out of all the topics that you could possibly focus on, you decided to talk about how people abandon parents instead of talking about the entire holiness of the festival.
This is just egos being hurt because they've probably done it. So. Super proud of them for taking up this topic because it's a reality. It does happen.
Yeah.
But
60% of the target market for this would be doing that.
Yeah, which is why 60% of them were so hurt about this. Like, hey, मैंने तो कल पिछले साल ही मैं अपने पापा को छोड़ के आया. Shit, I feel bad. It's making me remember. I don't want to see this.
But
So stupid.
honestly, tell me one thing. Do you think it, because when we're also just before you release like a controversial piece of content, there is a meeting that happens where you say, okay, this is how it could go wrong. So they possibly did anticipate that this may happen because the topic that they're talking about, abandoning your parents at Kumbh Mela, is sort of like highlighting a negative insight, and then you're taking that as your core of the entire ad in the strategy, and then you write a script around it. So do you think they preempted this and it's like a very, very smart PR move because they felt like, oh, you know what, this will create controversy, so let's do it.
This ad, though controversial, invoked an emotion, but could not really, we could not really come back with an ROI to determine कि भाई ये कैंपेन सक्सेसफुल होता है. मैं ना क्लिक्स करने की चाहता, ना सेल करने की चाहता, मैं एंड टू एंड इस पे ब्रांड अवेयरनेस ही करता और अच्छा अमाउंट स्पेंड किया भी रहेगा.
Yeah, I don't see anything beyond apart from that.
Do you know about the coin toss thing? That sometimes when you're undecided, you should always toss a coin, and when the coin is in the air and you that's when you're actually hoping for either a heads or a tail. So that's when you know what you truly want. So I felt like that's what happened with him. That he abandoned his.
This is an entire scene from Pictures, TVF Pictures, by the way.
I haven't watched it. I'm a genius. Like, wow.
Beer a band. Beer a.
Can we rate the ad and then move on, please?
Yeah, okay, we could do that also.
Starting with Raisha.
3.
I'm going for 4.
I'd give it a 6 because I feel like the last 30 seconds could be tighter. The reason why I'm cutting 4 marks is because they could have done a good CTA and they could have made the 30-second cut better, and that could have worked as an asset in itself, and the film would have been used everywhere. So honestly, if you ask me, this is like a Cannes winning sort of approach, in my opinion.
I'm torn. I'll tell you my logic behind 5 or 6. I'll tell you 6. I think because I would, storytelling wise and just like a film cinematic experience, I would give it like a 9. But as an ad, I would give it like a 3. So I'm just trying to average that out. I think it comes up to like 5 or 6. Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. It becomes, it's a differentiating factor, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Like for example, you guys remember this Fevicol ad that. Moment or the product directly, it's either or, right? They shared the moment and the product together. Here I felt like they only shared an emotion but forgot the product in somewhere.
Product बहुत ज़्यादा weak था. I agree with that.
On that note, what Vedanti said, let's watch that one also, because honestly, I think this is the one you guys will totally love. But it's less of an ad, it's more like a case study. But let's watch it.
Before you start, did you like Singham again? Because the way you described all this, this was a Singham again. That's a ad, by the way.
I liked Singham.
Singham again. वो देखो वैसे ही गाने Does that make
Yeah.
sense, Parikshit? Have you heard of any
Yeah.
other Fevicol brand?
I honestly
brand?
haven't. I haven't. That's good question.
When you say for a case study, you're calling it gimmicky, basically.
No. See, what the thing is, when you want to submit an award, when you want to submit a campaign for awards, you have to make like a 2-minute case study, which is made in a particular format, and this is the format. So this is that. That's what I'm saying. That's why I
It was
don't
ad
think
with
that.
purpose. It's activity with a purpose, basically. The purpose was not to sell the product; it was to make a case study.
Basically PR. एजेंसी ने बोला 20 लाख दे दो, हम आपका पॉजिटिव पीआर करा देंगे, आपको ये 10 अवार्ड मिल जाएंगे, 20 lakhs for the awards, 20 lakhs for the asset, and PR points for spending XYZ. So I think that's what the purpose was, and yeah, man, I don't think this kind of work reaches the masses unless somebody does a reaction video to it. So Fevicol, we're going to send. Great job done, guys.
Amazing job, guys.
Yeah.
Amazing.
we can create an edit
We're
for
looking
that.
out for sponsors, so you know.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
Yeah. So if I were to rate this, I see this as like a polished PR stunt.
So it's
So-
like a 5 from you.
Yeah, 5.
4 or 5 just for the effort,
Yeah.
standing in the crowd.
How would you rate
I'm
it?
gonna push. For an ad spend kind of a thing, I would still rate it 6 or 7. And this is very surprising because people like us would still go out and we'll have the kind of a mental capability कि भाई हम लोग we'll figure out a way and we'll all, if we're going in a group, we'll decide कि we'll meet here, no matter even if we get lost.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We had a great episode. We watched some amazing ads, just like every time. High energy, and I can't believe we actually discussed trending topics like Kumbh and some really important topics. So make sure you tune in, watch our episode, like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, say hi to Raisha, Vedanti, Harsh, and check out my music. It's coming out soon, Bhanja Music. See you guys.
लंबी रातें कुछ दिन से चल रही है यार, मैंने छोड़ दिया था